This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Van Avery. Welcome to an exquisite opportunity in the heart of East Beach. This beautifully maintained unit is just a short distance away from the beach, marina, and an array of delightful restaurants. The building offers handicap accessibility, with a ramp that was updated in fall 2020. With only 4 units in the building, this particular unit is located on the bottom right and features a charming front porch great for enjoying time with neighbors. Unit B has 10-foot ceiling, solid wood doors, and a cozy gas fireplace. The community fosters a vibrant social atmosphere with various activities throughout the year. The fees cover access to a pool, tennis courts, parks, a gym, and a clubhouse. Welcome to the East Beach lifestyle. January 6, 2025.